Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all depending on the time you come across this video. We are here again to do our normal weekly forecast on Euro USD. Okay, let's go guys. Based on the analysis we do on the forecast we did last week, EU did made some few reactions from the forecast we did, but didn't respect it fully well, because we were on last week, based on our last week forecast, I think we are exactly around here that last week. I think we are around here that last week. So I was saying that I want price to reach to this supply, then drop and break, take this all low. But what price reach the supply, come to the internal range of this bullish 5 minutes or 1 hour range, then started doing what started going up and take this low. But still, it still counts because we took some trades, because normally we do follow up on ranges and structure, so it still counts. We took some few trades from here, there and there before taking this high. And even after it took this high, we took some trades around here before going up on this NFP news. Because previous week is the NFP week, I think. Yeah, so this was the news reaction that took this. But still, we are still bearish on our time frame on 4 hours range. On our 4 hours range, we are still heavily bearish, because why? Price took this low last week, took this high last week, and that was a clear signal that, okay, since price has taken the high, that couldn't take this low, because when price mitigated the supply zone, I was expecting this drop to take out this low out, but it couldn't take the low out. It respected the range, then start going up. So I was saying to myself that, okay, this price might break this high before I did the last week forecast. So after price reacted off and didn't continue going down, so when price took this high, I started saying, okay, that's a clean sell opportunity, because since price took the week high that couldn't take the previous low it created. So that was a clean signal for sales, and price did what? Immediately dropped heavily from that after taking the high. So after price took this low, price went back up to do what? To take this high, because why? We have a lot of imbalance. Price went up to rebalance the imbalance there, and this supply zone is too clean for me. I know price is too liquidity and did what and break structure, but the supply is too clean for me to sell from there. So that was the price took it, and this happened on Friday, I think. Yeah, this happened on Friday. Price took the supply, still respecting the high that created this low, and because this is the 4 hours range that we are seeing, so price still respected the extreme high that created this low. So we will call this as an inducement liquidity taking, because this is a trap. Market took everybody out, then started doing what? Reacting. So on this new week coming that will start tomorrow, which is Monday, we will be expecting price to do what? To take this low out. Yeah, we will be expecting price to take this low out from there. Yeah, why? Price is still, we are still bearish in 4 hours. So until we break this high, then we will change our directional bias to bullish. But for us, for now, we are still heavily bearish on 4 hours range. So the range that we are expecting price to start selling out from is, I will be waiting for full confirmation from there. But once price take this low, then it it will give us some few pullbacks before selling up. But all I know is that price will definitely react from this demand zone, then come up to respect into the extreme of this 5 minutes range before doing what, taking the low out. So that is what I'm expecting from price to do. So let me just give some few illustration from there. This is the actual things. Okay, first of all, let me move to 1 minute. I think 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes is a little bit clean and clear. So this is the 5 minutes time frame. So this is what I'm expecting. Price might open on the Asian section. We might see some few reactions like this. Price might respect that range, then do this and come to the demand, to this demand, 15 minutes demand, go back to this 5 minutes range before taking out that 15 minutes low, then give us some few pullbacks to clean for inefficient pricing. Because I will be expecting, once price take this low, I will be expecting price to reach this sponsor candle, because this is a sponsor candle. I think, okay, it's not a sponsor candle, this is a sponsor candle. Look at it. This is what they sell that this is what the last sell that made market to move high. So this is what I'm expecting from lower time frame next week. Maybe let me go to 4 hours. Okay, so let me just give some few illustration here. Since we are price has been respecting this higher time frame, extreme of this higher time frame supply zone, so I'll be expecting price to take this low. If possible, if that is going to be possible, because we are still bearish until price break this high, then I will know that we are now bullish. So I was expecting price to take that low, take this low, then mitigate this demand. We might see some few reactions before taking it, or price might continue from there, then break that weekly high that we have there. So let's see how this thing goes next week, because I think next week we will have a lot of consolidating price action next week, because last week price did some few fast move. So next week we might have a lot of consolidating price action on next week. So on this 4 hours time frame, this is what I'm expecting, and we might react. Price might give some few reaction from this demand, then might went up, then come back down to take this low, the low out. So, and that's not 100% forecast, but this is what I'm expecting for price to do, because normally we go through with ranges. That's what we go through with. Follow the range, follow the market structure, because that's the main thing. Once you follow the market structure, then your directional bias will be 100% for sure. So that's it, bro. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and like the video, and also don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section, and you will see my Telegram channel link on the description, to follow up on this coming week stuffs, man. So thank you guys, man.